goes. Screw it, we use this. What's up, level up people? This LVLUpPops. You know, before they operate, they said I need to get my bones right, so I don't like milk. I like tofu. I'm gonna do it the old Hawaii way, brother. I'm gonna hook them up with little shoyu and some green onion, you know, the kind. All right, here we go. But please go for the original. You know, some of these people seem to think less sodium. No salt, throw it away. Soy, Lois, what the? We going back to original country. We want high blood pressure. All right, we got a cake of soy. We're just gonna chop up. This is quick. Oh, I didn't even show you the bugs. Bling! It'll work in case they want to send me some for free. Alright. Throw all this in the bowl real quick. These are the cubes. And you know, LVLUpPops has his general contracting license now. Me and LVLUpster over there. So for y'all in the area, we're gonna be flipping, dipping, and remodeling. Let us know. Alright. There's the easy part. Like I said, you gotta use the original flavor. This is one of my no cook, you can't get in. Please don't do this at home because you're gonna lose a finger. As y'all can tell, I'm very impatient. Oh, there you go. Of course not. And don't do this at home. Never use your teeth. Alright, we're gonna soak a little bit of shoyu in the last. So we give it that crunch and that for your nose, brother. Alright, well, some of this ain't all that. You gotta clean that up, boy. Who did send this over? The farmer? Which farmer? There are plenty of farmers around here. Alright, I know my counter looks a little messed up, but that's all shoyu goodness, boy. No, that's soy. Alright. Real quick chop chop. I wish I had some of that seaweed called limu, but brother, I know stay in the island, so I gotta do what I can do, boy. I gotta make do what I do. Now, real quick, we gotta give them a quick spin. You know, like your new kind, take your wahine out, you give a quick spin around the block. Alright, let me see. Oh no, brother. We gotta let that soak for a couple hours. Cause, oh, it's plenty salt. LVLUpPop out, quick, fast, good for you. Alright, LVLUp fam. We are going to do, it's been sitting here, the tofu shoyu with green onion has been sitting for a while, so we must try. You ready? Well, fam, I can tell you this, there's a reason I'm on high blood pressure pills. The original soy sauce with salt is way too much. I see why Mama bought the low sodium now. So we're gonna do a quick fix. I'm gonna drain this. Hopefully I can get some of this sodium off before I explode from the high blood pressure. This is LVLUpPops. Do it right.